We just have done the factors which are affecting the speed of sound. Now we are going to do the factors which are not affecting the speed of sound in gas. So according to the formula which we have done in the previous thing, that is V is equals to under root gamma P by rho. P is pressure, rho is density, V is velocity. And according to this formula, it is very clear that velocity of this sound depends upon the pressure. But we have the factor that pressure is not affecting the speed of sound. How is it possible? If it exists in formula, why it is not affecting? This is because that velocity is equals to gamma P by rho. If we are going to consider P by rho only, it means pressure by density ratio we are considering. It is very clear that if we are putting pressure on something, if I will draw one diagram for you. If the particles are here inside the container, if the gas particles are here, so they are very loosely packed, we know very well. So if we put pressure and this volume of this container reduces to half, if volume reduces to half, number of particles will be same, volume decreases. So density is equals to mass per unit volume. Mass of the particles will remain same, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now mass will remain same in both the cases. But here if volume is V, in this case density 2 is equals to mass by V by 2. It means 2 comes up. D2 is equals to 2m over V. D is equals to m over V. So it means here the density is double. If the volume decreases, volume is half. V is equals to 1, V is equals to 1 by 2. Density is equals to 1, density is equals to 2. It means volume is half, density will be double. So according to this process, if we increases the pressure, the density also increases. Hence we can calculate that pressure over density relation. If pressure increases, density increases. Here we have done a pressure increases, volume decreases, density increases. Pressure double. Pressure double, volume decreases, density double. So if pressure increases, density also increases. It means if we decrease the pressure, density also decreases. So hence the relation or the ratio of pressure over density will always remain constant. If it is increasing, this is also increasing. So relation are going to cancel each other with constant value. So pressure over density ratio will always constant. It means our velocity does not depend upon the pressure. It will always be constant. So this was the first factor according to which the speed of sound does not depend. Second factor they have written is amplitude. So it means the wave we have already done in the previous classes that in amplitude the loudness increases. The factor on which the loudness depends is amplitude. This graph we have already done. This was the first wave I am drawing. If amplitude increases, this thing is increases. Nothing else is going to increase. If more amplitude, then again the same is going to happen. Amplitude increase means loudness increase, but it is not going to increase the speed. Wave is not moving faster in this case. Wave is moving with the same speed, but loudness changes. So this was the amplitude, this was another amplitude, this was the another amplitude. So amplitude does not increase the speed of sound. So this was the second factor which was written over here, that amplitude on which the sound does not depend. Then comes wavelength. Wavelength means or frequency and wavelength both we can consider. If we again draw the wave, we are going to draw two waveforms rather. This was the first waveform. In this here to here is the wavelength, that is lambda. This is the second. Here wavelength is increasing. So it means number of waves are going to change. Lambda is going to change, number of wave passing through 1 second is more. Here From here to here 1, here to here 1, here to here 1. 3 waves are coming where it is from here to here 1 and 1.5. So here 1.5 wave is traveling, here 3 waves are traveling. So number of waves are going to change, but speed remains the same again. स्पीड उतनी ही है, स्पीड चेंज नहीं करेगी. नंबर ऑफ वेव्स जो है वो वेरी करेंगे, बट द स्पीड रिमेन्स द सेम. सो ऑन दिस ऑल्सो दे हैव गिवन दैट इफेक्ट ऑफ वेवलेंथ इज नो, it is not depending upon wavelength or frequency. Wave is going to change. So hence with this we have finished our exercise A of the sound chapter.